Thursday's going great.
Yep.
Oh yeah, my bird's in my shirt. I don't want her to bite my nipple. Yes, are you speaking? I'm speaking bird. Yes, Thursday's going good. We're a little, we had our holiday party last night, so little, chuchaki, as the Latins say.
Daddy.
Okay, Joseph's getting impatient. But yeah, the bird's in the shirt, so I'm gonna let it be there for now. I can hear Giga Sweeney now, kinging you. Bird, don't. Apple car, thank you very much. Bird! I'm gonna die because the bird keeps biting my headphone wire. Bird, don't bite the wire. That's it. Go on in the shirt. Shirt time. Yeah, jump up.